Nairobi, Kisii, Nyamira, n'ekingongo kindi Chinsa ya Kenya. Abaliki baitomba bakolentera emanya mange naboigo bwatra n'ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo cy'omugusi. Ensoko TV oburuso bw'omugusi. Tomu chago tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukumanya yago korekana kera rituko nabariki baitu be andrete chinga kichons a sengencho yao eyariganie a sobo tengari botari no mubwekano. Eye n'ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Manjito murigeria bwigeta sengian Soko TV nigolire ria balire na gwika Chinsa Isano na Ibere chabona mugaso tingakitwa kwariganiria Amayia a Central Wing karansoike hoyenyole buna butambe chende ya nandemo na baigoni ngo chokole nterigati ali tukwariganetie emesa ya Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere kuri no manjito murigeria nyora magotonyora somtanda ito Facebook na mago YouTube ironyare wo kwemanya egati ali tukwariganetie chinga kechi. Manjito muri iria togo chaka bene wasio bwetaro yo muraibense William Ruto asorongura gusi go chakira Jumapili yega asegeka kiamatukane nigo mabungo West Mugrango Steven Mogaka asabira mamenyiwe sokya erigoroto tamagendera inige Jumapili yejo arachakire bunge ya Bonchari hase Jumatatu yarachie asinsemo cha North Mugrango nabaigasoe ensemo yebunge ya West Mugrango.
Ntagete kualigania umurai wense mushimi wa Dr. William Samoei Ruto buchase constituency ya West Mugrango li chitariki emerongi 3 mutinyo yoli tukulia Jumatatu chistichinde chichi county mushimi wa president na atoete chibesa chukubike estima wanyetemire inchikete ona murangiritie aiche arole na maisaye aswa ikirie stima yaye egeratomende chibese chukukuri stima y'abantu bali bageseneno atomente stima tukubeka buchialia nyama ya wodu buchi mapera tukubeka buchi busamaru tukubeka buchi ukichora chuwodi chose na abuliri umu president tukulire amangana y'umusunte asa constituency ya West Mugrango egiya kabere na abulye president nkeringa ndubwati mache etule constituency na ende nonyene town etabwati mache yeta president na confirm tinga asege kabukiaye na abuguri chibese chigoto anseria kubeka amache yeta yepa kiromoche ule town ya Nyamira nase asaraunde town ya Nyamira kuika Kibirigo kwenda Kinyambi Malindi kogenda Nyamaya egere na intwe abangina baitu batigwe tweke biguyugo chiroche na baro barusia mache aliyenyasi ase etap buna abantu bande bale asitse kigendera tegento kya gatatu nkelinga omu president na igwebero byaito nga KMTC yaito igere nkebobi togo somia chi yemo manyitenga ntubwate problem ya street lighting ntomanyitenga ntubwate problem ya matobe ase town yi ejenere ngaki tutakete gotera como president ara na maisa ya une town ya Nyamira tora matobe ime egera toe chibese chie para ya municipality.
Manjito mulgiria togoska mutwe nige kiombe gya Donya Child Mission inse abese yo muraiba basubati we county ya Kisii Dolis Donya Habure bakubwaterana no musabchevu redia nyakenyanya bakwewe kinyoro kiabo gisero imi wodi yabo getenga South Mugirango banyarite bagutorio moro kiwo munyaruka oyogiredi komikrwase okubetereri gwago swa asenyomo ya kendabo no moro kiwo yo gosome skuru yabanyaruka ya nduru nigo bono agochwekera nase skuru hanyarega kugendia masomaye chinga kidolis donya buri na boigaba swati baboliri abagambya sebinyoro kwene kyabonangwe soke baraso bonge nakubakonya abana
Doris Tonya toto mbiyamo nasinga nchukwa akorira amaya gucha asinke yo mwana Mohammed obwate michande menene gwakorire shopping gaki omwana oyo gabakora abana babere grade 9 enchire kabura bakogende sukuru bono mwanyo tukarira gucha ase moro mwana Tonya gwachire gwakorire shopping omwana oyo akorire shopping ataite koira abana abe sukuru gaki etogosaba nga Nyasaye oyore igoro akunekera omo yoro kogichikura aramba ari okobako gocha asinke yo mwana Mohammed nyomba te yasobo maene pi abana abakorara nyaro tatu mwabo na mama mwabo arara borire gaki mutinyo mwana ya mariga na intu mototinya mariga mbiyamono nande mbiyamono mwari omwana Tonya toto gaki osa yare mwakorire gendera komokonya
kikiagera twachaga iga na batori na barobu bakori emirimo ba obisia women rep ito Doris Tonya toto etwachaga iga kwani apa yo mwana oyitu anyara ko batoko rescue kurwa se ari marriage okoro kudivina na ninashukuru ase timu yeire kiara mwamuletere shopping mwana yatanyara ko bagagujoin school mwana oyi anywomu ekera alingira ikirwa so grade 10 lakini rende bono iganga getengo chiago so school na agaiga no sobo babwato bokomuka indito gosaba bari bakonyara gokonye familia yiga banyekonye abana baro banyare gosoma nande banyare gotwara engengia omwana ona akoro kutibi nandege tibi nandege ikira bono igaga akina atakama mokonye mumoire sukuru omwana oye yanyare kana akabwata akeminja akagenda bwoye akera ari kogenda grade 10 lakini rene Nyasaye bwanchire mwamonkonye ire mwamokoreire shopping egera omwana oyo agende sukuru Nyasaye tigamuseseni egera anyare gosoma narende ekerengera keki arenge egera akore sukuru kana kaba acha gwekonya gututu baki
nabaigo ekomiti ebunge yokorigereria richiko yakorire bikaro byogusangira ibirengero by'abananchi igoro yo muswada ugendete korosiwa heriko babananchi imeroberio DNC ya serikali muswada oyo wo mwaka bw'ekibubere 2025 nigo ikigwase county ya Kisii n'ababunge Otiende Omolo nabaigo yoralia Samuel Chepkonga oyokorwa chinsemo chia Anaibakoi
to gather the views of the people on the public participation bill that is co-sponsored by Honorable Chepkonga and myself. The purpose of that bill is to act as a guideline on the conduct of public participation. It is also to impose an obligation for public participation on any public office or entity, either that intends to pass some law or take some action that might affect the public, and to put an obligation on proper consideration of those views that are gathered. So we are doing public participation on the public participation bill. All these views, we will publish them in a report which will be available both in print and electronic media. We will then sit down as the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee to consider those views and to consider how and in what manner we can improve the bill. Once that is done, we hope we can now present it on the floor of Parliament and that Parliament can quickly pass that legislation, because we've had a gap since the Constitution was passed in the year 2010 and the Constitution makes it mandatory to do public participation. We have not had a law that guides public participation. And so after 16 years, we think we must pass this quickly and it will be helpful.
Katika kuhusisha wale wasiosikia katika interpretation, kuhusisha wale wasioona ili documents pia iwe kwenye braille. Kuna wale pia ambao wana ule hata leo tumejua wengine wamependekeza wapewe muda mrefu kidogo kuliko watu wengine. Na pia jambo lingine imekuja ni kuwa notice ya public participation iwe specified na iwe ni muda ambao unaweza kuwapatia watu nafasi ya kusoma na kujumuika na sheria yoyote.
Gitomurigeria tugusuka mutwe nigo mubungo kia Rondindi Nyoro haburiria serikali kumurikira mabuta y'ikigari eri kwenekya buna tari gucokomenta ligori nigaya kwaniraya miabisi yae asense meyo ya kiharu.
At the current oil prices in Kenya, taxes and levies constitute half of what Kenyans pay at the pump. You can imagine that. When you are spending one of that goes into taxes and levies. Landing cost is below 50% of what we pay. And it is that taxes and levies that has gotten an increase when the global oil prices were falling. So I want to demand and at the same time request the leadership of this country. You must stop all the meetings, your political meetings that are happening now. Gather and find a solution to the imminent supply chain disruptions in fuel in Kenya and the imminent price disruptions in Kenya. And I want to say this without batting of an eye, that Kenyans are not going to accept any story around Iran if we still have VAT capped at 16% of fuel, and if we still have the 7 government. The remedial measure that the government must do immediately without waiting is that the same way they added the 7 shillings of fuel levy through a gazette notice, now a time has come for them to reciprocate to Kenyans. Kenyans have been paying this additional VAT for the last 3 years. Kenyans have been paying the additional fuel levy for the last many months when the global oil prices were falling. Now that there is a reversal of that, it is now on the side of government to also reciprocate by cutting VAT from the current 16% to even 0, and also thinking about how to denounce and recede.
Nabaigo manchito murigiria tugusuka mutwe nigaba manyi bake ba Chinsa mochia ahero yugo toka ime county ya Kisumu besokire na Bega yembure nyinge kwene kiwa Chinsa mecho nawe gaba onchole be Chinsa mecho nigo batebire buna gwitira sembure ywe nyinge nigo chibando chiabo nawe gebi ya gebiri bwa tomochere bekerwe na machayo asibia nyalire bigo salika.
Sisi wakaaji ya Maembeni, sisi iko na shida kubwa sana. Maji amefiriku paka natoka over ya dike. Naingia kwa masamba, manyumba, mafactory ya michele magunia mingi yamepoteza. Hakuna. Sisi naomba serikali otume watu ya kugalia disasters. Ukuje waone hivi na macho. Ukuje tu na macho, hapana sikia kwa radio, tuma watu yako. President Ruto, saidia sisi. Sisi iko nyuma yako, saidia sisi. Kuja ona watu wa Maembeni. Hata amefungwa. Shule ya Aero Primary School St. Anne amefungwa. Kanisani maji amejazwa. Na hapo ndio padi sisi aliweka watu. Kuja saidia sisi. Kama serikali unaangalia watu yake. Hao sisi si watu ya Kenya. Kama sisi watu ya Kenya, President Ruto, William Ruto, come and see.
Manjito murigeria tugusuka mutwe nigatiarengenete ukumanya wikira boni go manjito murigeria niriga ngukwira wika as Chinsemo chaturukana asbone brenyige gendete kwene kiwa manjito murigeria nigatiaria na kwariga nichisamune chituratigere gati yaria na kwariga niri
with all these problems that we've listed, Honorable Speaker, when was the last time you had the board of Kenyatta being arrested and taken to court? And the most annoying thing, Honorable Speaker, is that if you look at the membership of that board, these are old men, people with proper professional records, senior doctors in this country. They are arrested over the weekend, Honorable Speaker. He's the one who sent the...
Tugusuka mutwe nigo museneto Nairobi Edwin Sifuna abasabira abakenya tibabase ko ngaine kane bintu bikomesia ebyo murayibwe nsagendete kubatubana maiso asaba bochire gose kubabolia abananchi kweneke abunangwe soke barasobonge banyale bakomochora omurayi urioranyere kubakonya abakenya nigaya kwanetaya ase egekaro yesenete mwanjito murigeria turanyoro chinkwana chiae Edwin Sifuna.
With all these problems that we've listed, Honorable Speaker, when was the last time you had the board of Kenyatta being arrested and taken to court? And the most annoying thing, Honorable Speaker, is that if you look at the membership of that board, these are old men, people with proper professional records, senior doctors in this country. They are arrested over the weekend, Honorable Speaker. And the president himself confirms that he's the one who sent the police. Speaker, when President Ruto was campaigning, he told us that the era of the use of state security agencies to intimidate and to harass people would be a thing of the past. When he started philosophy in handling of private disputes, we have a reason to worry, which is why we continue to urge that, Honorable Speaker, this country can never be about shiny things. You are building as a railway. It is ours anyway. It is our money. But you are arresting 80-year-old doctors to take over a private facility. Na yako imekushinda. The national referral hospitals, such as Kenyatta and Moi in Eldoret, Honorable Speaker, are in dire conditions. When will the board of Kenyatta ever be arrested, Honorable Speaker, for these critical failures? We have queues at Kenyatta. People are sleeping on the floors. There are no wards. And then you go and tell us that you are the patron of a private facility and therefore you are going to take over it. These are the issues, Honorable Speaker, that point us to misplaced priorities and the fact that this government has totally lost its way. Speaker, as bandits run around Marsabit and the other countries, do you know there were 2 police land cruisers which were sent to Narok town to disrupt a political rally by elected members of this house, including myself and Senator Ososi? Those areas I've mentioned, Honorable Speaker. Would you believe it that if you pass outside Dairy Restaurant, Tuju's restaurant on Ngong Road, there are 4 police land cruisers permanently stationed there for the past 1 week? Murkomen, surely, as a former member of this house, we expect, especially from the younger leadership, that we will be able to demonstrate that we can run a country. Speaker, what is happening in this country is unacceptable. And we want all Kenyans to know that don't be deceived by those shiny things like railways and stadiums. We need to put in place a government that will put the safety.
Manjito murigeria sekta yobole miwekagwa yanyoriro gusirwa maiga yokwera na maigemi akemenge kokwana ime ya mukrweni mwaziri oparanyote biro murubiro yo osire tumwa koeta nigorengete commentary gesa yekagwa ryokojioni as chibestiria chiranyali chiko bakonya abananchi nabiga balimi bekemeriekyo.
Average production in the entire country is just minimal, is about per bush. We want to increase this to at least 6 kilos per bush over this revitalization program period. And we have also decided to go to virgin areas, potential areas that are coffee growing, like in Rift Valley, in Western, in Nyanza, so that those potential areas also start growing coffee. And we are happy as government that those areas have really taken up. And now, even if you look at the seedlings intake, those are now the leading takers of the seedlings.
My big question and my happiness is that if this program can continue and the CRI is able to give contracts to the societies to do this revitalization properly, in a span of 4 or 5 years, we can have been able to the thing is that the old trees is like any female. Any female, they have their menopause stages. When you grow too old, you cannot sire. And that's the truth. When a coffee is 50, 60 years old, any coffee that's about 15 years old, I want to assure you for free as a farmer. Me, I do it and I know. I was forced to change my trees. so that if you want to produce better, you must have young trees, and then you make sure that those trees, you exchange them in between 15 and 20 years. So what do? Plant them in new trees in between the old ones, because most of the people who are here farming coffee today, they have inherited from their parents. And the reason why the parents were producing more is because they were harvesting young trees of 5, 6, 10 years.
Na gwikira gwo mwanjito murigeria bwigeta Sengian Soko TV na nkubutera maya Chinsa Isano na Ibere kore njukara Chinsa 10 no yonyora yanda mange no yominto Ishmael Mogere kore nasubani gwo mwanjito murigeria genda gucengera miro bitu megeta Sengian Soko TV to kumera Chinsa Isano na Ibere kore nasubono kuganiria ditukoligia kuna butamenche ndayana ndemo.